Oh, oh.
What do you think about this guy? He do fashion.
Oh,
Oh, do you like it?
no.
That's cool, bro.
Do you know him?
Yeah.
Where?
TikTok.
Hey yo.
Sheesh.
Hey
Hey.
yo.
Ooh. Yeah, you got that.
Wow,
you got
got
that.
a hug.
Damn.
What about this one?
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Wait.
Grabe.
Boom.
Gogi.
Bro's all geared up.
Show us more, bro. Show us more.
Boom. Bro's all geared up, bro.
Yeah.
Bro got that iron armor, bro. Bro got everything, bro.
That was good, bro.
Do you know this guy? Do you know him?
No. Oh, that's Sigma.
That's nice. That's good. Oh my god. She's
Yeah.
handsome.
She.
Oh shit.
It's cool.
That's not good.
What? How?
That's not good, man. That's
Do
not
it.
good.
I like it. I like it.
Okay, rate this one.
Oh, this
an
that,
8, an 8. What nice. Is that you? That's
Yeah.
not you, bro.
That's me.
do it yourself.
I just have shorter hair.
I will rate that a 9.
Do you love fashion?
I love what?
Fashion? Like this one.
Oh, I don't know.
Do you love it?
Sure.
Can you rate it scale of 1 to 10? 6, 7, 8. Give it a number. 6, 7, 8, 9.
6.
6. What about this one? 7 maybe?
Ooh, you have a good fashion, bro. A 10.
This one is my favorite.
Ooh, I will rate it a 100 over 10.
I need 7 from you. What about this one?
Oh.
Hi, are you a streamer?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but don't skip. I'm small.
So you're gonna clipping me on YouTube.
No, I'm not.
What kind of streamer are you?
I'm fashion designer. I show people my design.
Oh, really?
Yeah, can I show you one?
Okay.
This one is my favorite.
Oh, wow.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Be honest.
It's good.
Be honest. If you don't like it, you don't like it.
No,
Is it good? Okay.
I like it. It's cool.
What about this one?
Oh. It kind of scary.
It's not
But
scary.
yeah, it's cool. It's an art.
This is my favorite.
Oh, huh. How do you think about that? Like,
When you have a creative mind,
mhm.
you can't think anything.
Huh?
Are you creative by any chance?
I don't think so. But I paint.
Oh, you paint. I paint too.
Let me show you first.
Okay. Brother, do you like fashion?
Do I like who?
Fashion? I'm designer.
Fashion?
Mhm.
Fashion and design? Yeah, dude, sorry.
Can you rate my designs?
Of course. Yeah. Holy shit, dude. You make those outfits yourself?
Yeah.
That's fucking killer.
6, 7, 8, 9. What do you think?
Like, I give you like 8 out of 10.
Okay, what about this one? This is my favorite.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
This is Balenciaga. Okay? This one, I think this one is the best one, in my opinion.
Bro, have you blown up yet? Holy shit. That's fucking sick.
Search it on Instagram. I have like 500,000 followers.
That's fucking killer, dude. Yeah.
Thank you,
Have
brother.
anyone contacted you yet to do like...
Yeah, Balenciaga, like a lot of brands.
That's so fucking cool. I'm so happy for you, dude. That's fucking amazing.
It's all blue.
Eh?
It's all blue.
It's all blue, so you don't like it. What about this one?
It's good.
It's good. Are you a YouTuber?
No,
No? Then like why do you need the chair?
nothing.
Why you mean nothing? You are a streamer.
No, I'm not.
Why do you buy the chair then?
Nothing. For fun.
Okay, do you have Instagram? Okay. Do you love fashion? No, that's the devil. That's devil. Nope. That's evil. Wait. Wait. I wanna show you my design. You wanna see? I'm a designer. Stop. Okay? Stop. Let me show you my design. This is my design.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah, do you love it?
I think I have seen you before.
Really? Where?
In TikTok.
Thank you very much. Can you rate it scale of 1 to 10 to like 6, 7, 8? What do you think?
6 sailors. No, it's it's great actually. Like 9.
This is my favorite. It's blue one, I know.
That's great actually. It looks like a
Mhm.
ninja.
A ninja, yeah, what? A 10?
9 out of 10.
I think it's 7.
Thank you very much.
Pretty
Do you
good.
laugh? Is it like, how do you do that?
Because I have a MacBook.
MacBook, oh, got you. You're rich.
Yeah. No. No.
እኔ እኮ ላረግላችሁ ነበር እንደሷ። You don't have MacBook? You hurt me here. What about this
No, I
one?
don't. Like. What about 6? Yeah, 6.
Okay, what about this one? I need 10. I need 110. This one.
5. I think 5. Sorry.
What about this
I
one?
don't. 5.
ክፍት ቱቦ ውስጥ ግቢ ሌላ ምንም አለ
Do you know this guy, man?
No.
No.
I saw his video
Where?
on TikTok on Africa, Botswana.
Have you seen his videos?
No, I don't have TikTok or any of that shit.
Botswana. Oh, he's famous in your country.
Yeah, I'm in Africa only.
What do you think about his fashion?
Yeah, it reminds me of like Judaism.
What? How?
They are heavily influenced into like the fashion in the world.
Okay.
And scary thing, ain't it?
Don't skip. Wait. Are you YouTuber? No. Streamer?
I'm a human being. I'm an alien.
I'm
I'm an alien.
Got you. From where?
I'm from Area 51.
Area 51 is not where aliens are born, my sis.
No, I am from Netherlands.
Oh, so Netherlands people are aliens? Got you.
Yeah.
I'm from Ethiopia. Ethiopian people are not alien. We people.
You eat people?
Hell no. I didn't say that. This is Ethiopia, by the way.
Oh, wow. That's pretty.
Do you want to ask me questions? No. I want to ask you a question though. Do you have Instagram?
I have.
Type it.
How old are you?
Guess.
22.
Yeah, I'm 22.
Damn.
I don't know how you get it.
You did this.
Oh, got you.
I'm too young. So I'm 14.
Huh? Do you know him?
Oh, no.
No. Ooh, Goliath.
Who the hell?
Mr. ሞክረው ወንድኩ. Do you know him?
Yeah, I know.
Where?
I don't know where.
What do you mean?
This is your brother? Are you streaming?
አትበል. Do you know this guy, man?
What the fuck? Whoa! Oh, go!
I don't know.
Do you like it though?
He's ugly.
He's ugly.
Yeah.
Hi, do you love fashion?
No.
Fashion?
Why?
Why? Because I'm designer. I want to show you my design. Potato! Do you love fashion? Potato.
Huh?
Fashion? Like this?
Nah, I can't do that.
Is it cool?
It's cool. Adina, salam no?
ሰላም ነው?
You are where from Ethiopia?
How do you know Amharic?
I learned Saudi Arabia. Some Ethiopian lady, she me a little bit. She told me like this. Yeah, Amharic.
Do you know this guy, man?
I don't see him. I don't know. He's famous guy.
እካካማተ Balenciaga. Thank you. Sup, brother? Malahan. I wanna show you my design. Wanna see?
Sure.
What do you think? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Would you give it a rate? Like 6, 7, 8, 9?
Like 8.
8? What about this one? እኔ እኮ ቀረብ ብላ አይታኩም ሬት ታደርገው መስሎኛል። አሳለፈችው ጀልስ።
Can you watch our dance?
Okay.
Wait, bro, wait. Sorry, sir.
Can you do it now?
Can we do it now? Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, we can do it.
Do it.
Okay, we will dance. You will rate it.
Okay, I would.
Okay. Here.
Okay.
Then you will do it like that. Can you do it too?
I can't. We dance
Anything.
like this with our shoulder.
What's that?
It's Ethiopian dance. I will rate your dance
Okay.
8.5.
Yeah, thank you.
What is that?
Fashion.
What do you mean, bro?
The fuck is that?
Oh my god. Oh, what a frick.
Yeah, it's a robot right now.
Do you know this guy, brother?
No.
No? He's famous. Do you use TikTok? Instagram?
But he's not my. He never.
Hi. You are beautiful.
Thank you. You're
No
handsome.
problem.
Handsome. Bye.
Bye. Do you know this guy, brother?
I don't think so.
Do you know him?
Yeah.
Hi. Do you know this guy?
Artist. Oh, it's nice.
Good, but is it good? Good. ያሳለፍኳት እኮ ማውራት የማችል መስሎኝ ነው። ልክ በተሉና ካብስር ማውራት ጀመረች። Do you know him, brother?
Yes, I watch him in TikTok.
Oh no, I didn't. Is that you?
His outfit is so good, even though the material is limited.
Keep it up, bro. Tell him that. Keep it up.
ካይሾ ኢትዮጵያ በላይ ያውቁታል። which is crazy. በራሱ ነው የፈመሰው ልጅ ይመቸው። Do you know him?
Yeah, that's the Malawich.
Huh?
Oh,
Do you know him?
no.
Okay.
Mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, o professor é 6, 7.
ብዙ ዘፈን አታውቁትም? ካላወቃችሁ ጤነኛ ናችሁ። ዘፈን የሚያውቅ ሰው በሽተኛ ኢንክሉዲንግ